Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Victrola Bluetooth speaker table and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if it's not pairing or syncing with your devices, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is if you just want to get a fresh start and have it forget all of its paired devices, so that you can just get a fresh start as though it's a new table, we can go ahead and do that really easily. You're going to need a paper clip or something like that. And if you come around on the back, you will find that there is actually a reset button on the back of the table. So what you'll want to do is just press and hold that reset button for several seconds, and that will cause the table to do a full factory reset, at which point you can then go ahead and turn it back on and set it up and re-pair it with your devices as though this were a brand new speaker. Thanks a lot for watching.